Hey everybody, this is Tommy within a Disney State of Mind. Today we are at Winter Summerland Putt-Putt Golf here at Blizzard Beach. We've played the other putt-putt courses here in Disney World, but we have never been to this one. And you guys that know me know that I love Christmas. I love everything Christmas. It's June and 127 degrees, I know. But I love everything Christmas. And so we're gonna come and check this place out, give you a quick review, quick little tour, maybe a little footage of us playing. We are so excited about this day, and we're excited about bringing you guys along with us. I'm gonna be honest with you, I might be a little bit too excited about this. I know that most people are like, June, come on man, you can't do anything Christmas themed. But hearing the music, I mean, and seeing all the things, like yeah, I'm sorry, I'm excited. Hey baby. You can't get mad at me if I want to go into the Christmas shop today after this, okay?
Only if you'll buy me a Christmas ornament.
You know, you might be able to twist my arm today. Started off with a hole-in-one. Let's see if Denise can follow to keep her and Carter right there. Nope, not gonna make it. I just pounded mine into the RV and it came out and went straight in, so I'll take that. Hole 2, gone fishing.
A hole-in-one on this one. That'd be crazy.
As long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. I mean, 2 in a row, a hole-in-one, I'll take it. Hey Carter, made 2 in a row.
I know.
Okay. Let's see if she can make a 2. Oh, so close.
Oh, really?
What'd you do? This one has like a cooler here in the middle to get over there. It's fun. Good putt, Bree. Dude, that is 2 that you lipped out for a hole-in-one. See if you can get the 2. Oh, yes. Good 2. Oh, I wasn't even recording. Denise made a 1. Great putt. This one is put out the campfire, but there's chestnuts everywhere, and you have the open fire and the benches around it. This is really fun. My child is elf taught. Santa for president. Carter was that close to back-to-back hole-in-ones.
2.
Like so close, both times. All right, we just realized that the campfire actually smokes as you go through it, and Cambrie's got to try it out. See, there it went. That's cool. All right, let's see if Denise can get her hole-in-one here again. Believe in me, ba-doop-be-doo. Nope, didn't quite make it. We have a ice hockey rink here for this one. This is pretty cool. All right, Bree, you got it, girl. Nice straight putt. Oh, she gave it a mighty whack. That is in the trees.
Here, try that
Like literally trees. Good putt, Bree. See what Carter's got. Oh, hit the puck.
Oh, I just realized what to do.
What?
Should have followed it there.
Little firm, little firm. Oh, behind the net. That's gonna be trouble. This is fun. It's set up like a little toboggan over here. Straight through to the hole. Little firm, little firm. That was untraditional. Oh, it's coming back. If that would have gone in, like I would have, like that would have been impressive. That would have been incredibly impressive.
It made it this far. That's
It
impressive.
did.
Yeah.
Getting back on is impressive.
2.
Good 2. Seeing out. Oh, that's trouble. Oh, goodness gracious. In the bushes. Not the baked beans, but the bushes. If you can just keep it rolling over the edge of the lip of the little castle things, it'll go in.
Straight over?
Yeah, straight over. You don't hit it super hard, but enough to get it over, and it should go in. That should go in. There it is, hole in one. This drawbridge opens and closes, and she made it. I didn't even know where it goes. Oh, it's going in the hole. Oh, so close. Wow. All right, let's see if you can time it out. See? That took a while.
Oh, you hit it too
Oh,
hard.
goodness.
Oh, you're going over there. Oh, no.
Are you going to go in that hole?
Okay, this one kind of funnels in.
No, maybe not when it gets that far over. This one makes me think of Goofy crashing through the snow.
Wait, great. Coming back.
Got the skis in the snow. Oh, that was a rock. Yeah, I don't know that he's gonna make it.
Sporty the Snowman. Sporty the Snowman is a jolly happy song. He loves cool off golfers. He put a ball.
So maybe when you make the shot, it spits water out?
Oh, it's not Frosty, it's Squirty the Snowman.
Oh, let's see. Oh! It's gonna go back. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. It's gonna go in. Oh, it does squirt out of the pipe.
Yes, it's Frosty's cousin.
My first hole in one!
There you go. Oh, reach down and get it. It might squirt after that.
Just pick it up.
Oh, there it goes.
Get my...
If I were a gentleman, I'd get the golf ball for her. I'm not. You got her. All right, this little section looks like a whole lot of fun. You've got a fireplace with Santa in it. You've got Christmas trees. You've got Jack in the Box. It's out of the sun.
There's flippers.
All the things. Yeah, he is stuck. It made me think of that song, There's Something in the Chimney and I don't know what it is.
I got a fish.
Oh,
Oh, this will finish it all.
very last hole. Yep,
What did you make?
18. It's a mouse on a mouse.
Wait. No, it's a mouse.
There you go.
Here, there's bug on you. There's bug on you.
Ho, ho, ho! I sure hope you enjoyed your golf game today. And... Ho, ho! Little Bill, sometimes they drive a hard toboggan. Ho, 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 ho.
That was so much fun. There's, again, first time that we played the Christmas Winter Wonderland themed golf. Again, it's blazing hot outside, but I don't care. I love the music. The theming was fun. It was whimsical. It's kind of dated, which I actually like. It kind of makes it feel kind of classic Christmassy. It's a whole lot of fun. So we enjoyed it a lot, and we highly recommend it. If you guys are looking for a putt-putt day, come out, give this one a go. Remember that if you guys see us in the parks, make sure that you stop and say hey, because we would love to get to meet you. But until then, remember to keep living in the Disney state of mind. Bye, guys.